safety and versatility in today's hydraulic post driver market leaves one winner: the KingHitter. With features ranging from direct-mounted controls for single-person operation to a unique post-cap guidance system for absolute accuracy, the KingHitter earns its reputation as the post driver with punch. Let's look at the range of post drivers available and how they work. The KingHitter is available in 3 models. These come in different configurations to meet different needs and can be easily upgraded with a range of accessories. Firstly, the Series 1, freestanding and mid-mounted. We consider it the farmer's choice. Next, the Series 2, mid-mounted with more hydraulic rams than the Series 1, plus the option of a small side shift of 8 inches. This model is more popular with contractors, while the Series 3 Deluxe side-mounted model with 18 inches of side shift is definitely for the serious professional. The side shift is standard on Series 3 and optional on the Series 1 and 2 models. This feature allows accurate positioning of the post without unnecessary tractor movements. And when the need arises to drive the tractor along a fence line, the side frame mount converts Series 1 and 2 KingHitters to just that. All KingHitters are loaded with features. First, let's consider the masts. Copyrighted around the world, these are welded with low hydrogen rods to ensure maximum flexibility and come in a choice of 3 sizes. 3.8 meters or 12 feet 6 inches, 4.27 meters or 14 feet, and 4.88 meters or 16 feet. If your needs stretch to it, taller masts are available and can be made to spec. A hinged mast is recommended. It tucks right down into the tractor, reducing the possibility of taking a roll on steep slopes. An ideal option when traveling under trees, low power lines, and similar obstacles, and also good for storage. This folding mast fits all models. Now, look closely at the mast and pulley ram mechanism. The hammer travels to the full length, so all the weight and force reaches the post. And that action means there's room for taller posts. And if you're working on retaining walls and ground anchors, the KingHitter can ram those posts flush to the ground. Hammer weights range from 180 kgs or 400 pounds to a hard-hitting 250 kgs or 550 pounds. You choose the hammer dependent on your needs. Controls for the KingHitter are at the business end where the operator needs to be. If necessary, he can stop the hammer at any point. He can even leave the controls and the hammer stays put. Single-person operation leaves others to get on with the job of laying out your wire and fence. Post guidance is a key feature on the KingHitter. The post cap system used here is controlled from the mast, easy to attach and simple to use. It's a system unique to the KingHitter and patented throughout the world and means total hands-free control of the post. As the cap slides up and down the mast, it both guides the post and prevents damage to the post top. The post is locked, there's no clamping and no mucking around. And when you're finished, it detaches as easily as that. For rough and/or sloping terrain, the mast can be angled and tilted to allow ease of operation left, right, backwards, forwards, and side shift. Perfect alignment is easy, and with a bubble level mounted on the hydraulic valve bank, it's easy to adjust when returning to the vertical position. Full hydraulic control is standard on the Series 2 and 3 KingHitters and is an optional extra on the Series 1 model. As we mentioned earlier, the KingHitter comes with a number of optional accessories. Let's take a look at a few of these options. An ideal accessory for hard pan and heavy clay ground, the Pilot Auger enables holes to be drilled prior to post driving. Augers are available in 2 to 10-inch sizes, clip on and off the KingHitter easily, and work in both forward and reverse, drilling up to 1 meter with extensions available for further depths. For bouldery and rocky conditions, a rock spike extractor removes spikes after holes have been punched through rock, again prior to post-driving. In rough and uneven terrain, the hydraulic leg, replacing one of the beam mount legs, allows easy adjustment without steps. These are often used by contractors on Series 3 models, on motorways, and for some fencing conditions. For older tractors that can't build up a decent head of hydraulic steam in order to operate the KingHitter, a Fairbrother hydraulic pump or PTO kit should be fitted. The kit comes complete with a built-in relief valve and 30-liter or 8-gallon tank.